Welcome back to our channel. In this video, we'll be showing you how to turn off limit data usage in Gmail on your Android device. This feature can be useful if you want to save mobile data while using the Gmail app. To get started, open the Gmail app on your Android phone or tablet. In the top left-hand corner, tap on the menu button, which looks like 3 horizontal lines stacked on top of each other. A menu will appear, and from there, scroll down to the bottom and tap on Settings. Once you're on the Settings page, choose the account that you want to turn off limit data usage for. Scroll down until you see the Limit Data Usage option, and tap on it to uncheck the box and turn off the feature. By turning off limit data usage, you can use the Gmail app without worrying about using too much mobile data. This feature can be very useful if you have a limited data plan or if you're traveling and need to conserve data usage. It's worth noting that when you turn off limit data usage, images in your emails will be automatically displayed, which can use more data. If you want to conserve data usage while still being able to view images in your emails, you can turn on the Ask Before Showing Images option instead. To do this, go back to the Settings page and scroll down until you see the Images option. Tap on it, and then tap the switch next to Ask Before Showing Images to turn it on. And that's it. By following these simple steps, you can manage your data usage while using the Gmail app on your Android device. We hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any questions or suggestions, please feel free to leave them in the comments below. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips and tutorials like this one. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.